Hey everybody, welcome back to The Future is You. I'm your host, Alex Milanese, and I'm a teacher right here in West Virginia. You know, one of my favorite parts about career and technical education, or CTE, are the incredible opportunities that we give students every day. That's why we're here today at Wheeling Park High School. We're here to visit a few of their CTE programs and talk to some of their students about the awesome stuff they get to do every day.
We encompass everything. We have radio and television broadcasting. We learn interviewing skills. We learn camera skills. And students leave to college and get careers in the industry. There are definitely opportunities.
It definitely helps me personally too, just being able to talk to people that I never would have originally thought to do. And it's definitely brought me out of my shell, and if you're like really shy, it will definitely help you. It's definitely prepared me for some things that I wasn't ready for.
At Wheeling Park, there's something for everyone, but especially in career technical education. No matter what you're looking for, I mean, you can find it. And that's so important in this day and age because so many students are lost and don't know what they want to do, and they need a reason to come to school.
I did my freshman year in the fundamentals program, and it really stuck with me, and it's helped me do a lot of different things that I never thought I was going to do.
I believe it's extremely important to welcome all students in. And not only do these students learn how to make eye contact and then sometimes learn to talk when their parents have told me they're not going to talk for you. So that's important, I think, for the special needs students.
Well, the one thing that was interesting about the broadcasting program is that it started in my sophomore year because I didn't know about Wheeling Park's newscast at first. I didn't know about the Patriot Connection at first. So I started going on the air each and every single day. I started reading radio and announcements, and then progressively throughout the years, I began to get more involved in activities like the radio and TV club.
To me, more important than anything else, I'd rather miss the deadlines all day long if it means that we're developing relationships and these students become friends and it becomes a family.
The radio and TV club was really interesting because I get to interact with students and it's like being part of a family.
The big takeaway that we feel like is no matter what you're doing, it's the communication skills. It's working with each other. It's time management skills. It's excitement. It's really neat because we're doing more than just pumping out a newscast.
The favorite parts of this class is that I get to be with other students and I get to read on the air.
You could be doing something you don't want to do eventually, but if you would have taken a program or something, you could have found something you were really passionate about. So it's definitely worth the jump to take it.
So as you can see, career and technical education has some incredible opportunities for students. If you'd like to find out more, you can check out our website at careertechwv.com. And remember, the future is you.